So all right. So hey guys, this is Moshas coming to you from Moshas Reggae Lounge. As you know, my thing is to help anybody however I can. I'm not doing this video to ask you guys for nothing. I'm not asking you guys to give me nothing. I'll give him what I want, and God will bless him the rest of the way. I'm just putting out the video so you can understand the condition of these people and what they're going through. This is one of the guys that used to be here on the street. I know them from they're very young. All they're trying to do is eat. That's it. Because they don't have no opportunity. The whole world is against them. And you just want to eat. So I didn't see him for a long ass time, and I just saw him, and he said he came back last night because they catch him and they send him back. And I told him he looked good because he looked better than when he was here. So he said they sent him to Haiti and he was over there working and doing little things. So now he comes back to see if he can do anything he can do to make a little money to go back home and start a little business to feed his family. And he just told me he walked 3 days to get back over here. And so tell me again from the beginning, because the first video I erased. So what happened to you? Tell me. What happened to you?
I was in Republic Dominican, Susua.
Yeah.
The police take me, they pass me by the immigration.
Yeah.
The immigration.
So they take you, the police arrested you, and they put you in immigration. Yeah, okay.
They call the immigration because in Susua they don't have no immigration.
Okay.
The police just call them. If they call them, they come, they get automation in jail.
Okay.
They shall go back to the Haiti.
So they call immigration and tell them you don't have no papers.
Yeah, that's what
And the immigration will come and pick you up, send you back to Haiti.
That's what's up.
How long ago this happened?
For come?
How long ago? Ese fue cuando?
Eso fue cuál?
¿Cuándo ese fue?
Eso es la 2 noviembre.
Oh, in the 2nd of November, this happened. 3 months.
Yes, I do with my family. I have like 6 years. I never see my family.
Okay, so he's.
If I see my mother be crying, everything. Where you been?
He said he haven't seen his mother for 6 years. How old? ¿Cuántos años tú tienes? ¿Cuándo tú entres de República Dominicana?
No, never believe a lie. I come off I was 12.
Okay, and how old are you
right
now?
Now I'm 20.
He's
2003.
He's 20, so he come when he was 12 years old. And
I know English to the street anytime. I know Spanish to the street.
he learned, listen to this, how incredible. He learned English and Spanish in the streets.
He live in French too.
And French too, he learned in the streets. So listen, guys, I'm not doing this video to ask you people for nothing. So don't even think I'm trying to ask you for anything. When I'm done, when God's willing, if I got anything later, I'll give it to him and he can take it and go bless himself with it.
You see what I need, Moshas? I need to be president in Haiti.
You need to be the president, right?
I need you to be president.
Oh, you need me to be the president?
For sure.
Well, if you make it happen, I will try to be the
I
president.
see a lot of people saying, "Why I think for something."
Hold on. Go ahead and say that again.
I see a lot of people saying they want black like me.
Yeah.
I asked them for something. They told me, "Get that fuck out of here."
They tell you, "Get the
away."
fuck out of here.
They told me, "Go get some job." They never know the problem where I have.
I know, brother.
I like to walk.
Yeah.
Tell me, you know, if you don't have no paper, they demand with you. They
I
want you to
know,
work.
I know.
You all the time I come out here, Moshas.
Yeah.
They told me, take the food out here. Take that.
And I got food for you too. I got some
All
food
the
for you.
time. All the time.
I got food for you right now. When we finish talk, I get you some food. You hear what he just says? He said to me, he want me to be the president of Haiti. And you know why he say that? Because these people know me for a long time. He been here since 2000. You are here since 2012, right? Tú estás aquí en esta República. 2012. That means he's been here 2012. But I've been here since 2010. And ever since I see these kids when they come, I never frown on them. I never put my nose down.
No.
If I have something, I give it to them, right?
What got you the bag, Moshas? I swear to God, in my life.
God have me, right?
Yeah, you do something not going in life, you go pay right there. You do something go, you gotta come to you.
You hear what he say? You hear what he said? He said, God have my back. He swear on his life. Now, that's amazing. I get surprised every day. Why? Because me's a Rasta man, you know. And my culture is the Nazarite culture from the ancient days of the Bible. And we treat people, no matter who, with respect. And you see this little guy right here? I'm telling you right now, you can see in his face, He just want a chance, man. He just wants something, you know.
That's what I feel like that, but somebody think they see me like that. They told me I'm a crazy guy and shit like that. They don't know how their life go.
Yeah.
You feel me?
Yeah, man. I know.
I never disrespect them, nothing and shit.
Yeah,
They
he never
always
disrespect.
fight
Yeah.
with a problem with it. They always fight with a problem before I can be with the problem.
Yeah. He never disrespect me. He
All
always,
the time I haven't reviewed the Dominican, only one time I fight with somebody. Because he disrespecting life, he slapped me in the face.
Yeah.
Anything, I never do something
Yeah.
better with him.
so he don't fight with people. He just told me that I always give him. He said when he see other people, you know, that a black American, so-called black American, he asks them for anything. They tell him go get a job and yada yada yada. But when he comes to me, I always go find. If I have food, I tell him wait. I give him food.
Not any black, not only black people too. You feel me? Because someone helped me before too, the black one.
Yeah.
They got it, someone in them. I go ask them. They told me get that fuck out of here. They got it. Couple like 2 years ago.
Yeah.
Even like you.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because I always say the truth in my life.
Yeah.
I keep it going with that. If I believe with my mother's from Haiti,
Yeah.
she's always told me, walk with the truth. Somebody can more going up in you.
Yeah.
He disrespect you, disrespect him too.
Exactly.
He tell her, if he not disrespect
So you respect the people who respect you.
anyone, believe in kids like that, I have to respect.
Well,
them.
yeah, that's the culture we have in Jamaica too. We respect everybody.
That's-
And I'm
I
telling you
respect
guys,
what
I'm
you
gonna
say.
tell you something right now. Anybody who knows Mosha, I live a clean life here. Ask them. If they ever see me in the street with any girl, with any hooker. You ever see me in the street with a girl? You
No,
never see me in the street
no.
with
You just
no.
stay, you out here in your business.
Yes.
You all the time I come, all the time 12 in the morning, I come, I say, Mother, give me my job chicken.
Yeah.
I need to eat.
Yeah. So
You always do.
hear what you just say, right? So this is how I live. And when I see them, if I, one time he brought me some customer because I told him, I said, if you just talk to the customer and bring them here, I would give you food and I would give you 10% of the bill. So one time he brought me and I didn't see him for a long time. So he was deported back to Haiti. Now he tells me he come to see if he can start a business in his hometown. Now,
That's what I want.
what can you do there? What kind of business you start that can help you? What?
In Haiti, you feel me? Because I don't have any.
You don't have anything.
That's where I don't think.
Oh,
the
wait a minute, I
business
forget
can
something.
do.
Wait. He walked, when they deported him back to Haiti, he walked 3 days, right?
Yeah, 3 days.
He walked 3 days in the mountains to get over here. He
I just
walked.
got here last night.
He walked to come here last night, okay? Look how he come. He don't come with nothing.
Watch. In the mountain, everything. I just feel like that.
Okay, look at his foot. He has a callus in his foot.
In the mountain.
Okay? You see that? In the mountains. He said he walked 3 days.
I just got here. They want to take me in jail again.
And he said they just got here. The police tried to grab him again. So I just making this video, guys. Like I said, I'm not asking you guys to give me anything because I know a lot of
They
people don't.
be there for you.
I know a lot of people don't care. So I'm just putting this video out so you guys can understand his position. And I don't have much. If I really, this is why I would like to have some money to help people like this because you can see in their eyes the hunger. And if we, as a people that has enough to eat, and we see these people that don't have anything, and we don't help, then I don't think the blessing is going to leave us because money, the Bible tell you that the poor will always be amongst us and we must help the poor. It's all over the scriptures. So I don't do it for anything. I just do it from the bottom of my heart. So go ahead, man. Tell me a story. You finished?
I don't know, bro. You see the people having good heart,
Yeah.
they never have a lot of prayer for their house somebody.
They never what?
The people having the good heart,
Yeah.
they never have a lot of prayer. They can help somebody.
Yeah,
The
yeah, I
ones
got you.
don't have no good heart,
That's the one have money.
they always rich, bro. I
Yes,
don't know
you hear
how
what he
that-
just says? He said, because he said, when I come here, he told me before, when he comes around, I always look if I have food and I give it to him. If whatever I have, I give it to him. Okay, he said people who have good heart never rich enough to help people. And he's right. The one that's no good are the ones that's rich and have lots of
I
money.
see that from the street.
And he said he learned that from the street. Now, listen, I'm gonna write a movie. I'm gonna write a movie, and I'm gonna write a movie, and I'm gonna work on it, and you're gonna be the star of that movie.
I
I'm gonna write it for YouTube. when you, I'm gonna write it for YouTube, and I want you. I'm gonna try to see if I can get a story together, and you can be the star of that show. Maybe that can help you. So he said what he learned from the street.
English, French,
Yeah.
Spanish.
He learned. So when you come here, you only speak Creole.
Creole. That's what I know. In 3 months, any language I speak.
In 3 months, look how bright this guy is.
They know the boy with Swahili. They don't can learn. The Dominican one, you feel me? Kids like me, they don't can learn English. In 3 months, if they see me speak English, they trying to fight with me.
What he says is true. You know why? What he says is true? Because when I first met him, he didn't speak no English. He only speak Creole.
You know the first time in the beach.
Yes, in the beach, when my business was on the beach. So now he speak English, he speak French, and in
Creole.
Spanish and Creole, 4 languages. And he said, thank God. You see that? So he's blessed, even though he's suffering. But I want to say something to the people. You know, God don't move the way you think he moves, okay? He got his people out there, and he brings them to the people that would help. I'm a very generous person. I've helped lots of people. He can tell you that.
I told you I want to be president in Haiti. For real, I don't lie.
You hear what he say? He
It's
want.
best see you be president, anybody go eat.
You hear what he say?
The president in Haiti, they fucked up the country. Of you is in Haiti, you young boy like me,
Yeah.
you gotta use the gun for you can eat.
Eat. You hear what he said,
See
right?
where I was going in Haiti?
Yes.
Because I don't like that, that's why I don't do that. My mother will stretch me.
Wow.
You feel me? That's why I don't go in gun shit.
And choose a gun. He
She's
just
my
told
mother.
me. Let me explain to them. He just told me that he wants me, a Jamaican, with a business in the Dominican Republic, and to be the president. And this guy don't know me very well. He only see the kindness I do for him. He wants me to be the president of his country, and I'm not even Haitian. That's how he knows my heart. He knows the heart I have. And I try to tell people, I tell this to girls. Sometimes I talk to some girls, and I try to be nice to them, and they think I'm trying to get into their pants. I've been celibate since 2007. I don't have a girlfriend. So women is not my problem. So what he's telling you is the goodness of my heart. He said, I want you to be president. He said, guys like him in his country have to get a gun if he wants to eat. Go ahead, my friend. You were saying if you do it, you don't do it.
I don't do it. You see how I don't do it because my mother, if you go and selling some clothes, the key, he closed me inside, so I don't can go outside.
You hear what he said? He said
when already know I go do it.
He said his mom, when he's in Haiti, just so he don't go get a gun and rob people, she locked the door and lock him inside so he don't get out the house.
That's what I do.
That's deep. That
Me,
is.
I don't can lie with you. If I was in there, he don't do it. With the kids, I was doing.
He said the reason he left Haiti when he came here when he was 12. He said if he was in Haiti, he would have probably get the gun to go because that's how desperate they are. And he says,
You got to see my heart too. That's
Yes,
why he helped
yes,
me.
yes.
Because she's come on. Because if I was in Haiti too, you never know. See, I can be dying. Shit.
Yeah. He's very
That's why all
intelligent.
the time I say thank you, God.
He's very, very intelligent. And he says if he was in Haiti up until he's 12, if he didn't leave when he's 12, he would have get a gun because that's the only way they can eat, you know. And I want to make this video to show you guys, you know, you don't have to give nothing. Don't be selfish. Think about other people, because look at guys like this.
One guy passed by. If I was in Haiti, he give me the money before I can pay back for him. I go in with my mother.
Okay, he give you money to buy the bike, huh? So, what's your name again, my brother?
My real name, my mother's name is Masne Jean-Baptiste.
Masne Jabates.
Jean-Baptiste.
Jabatis.
Yes.
Masne Jabatis.
That's my real name.
His real name is Basne Jabatis.
Masne Jean-Baptiste.
Masne Jabatus.
Yeah.
Okay. And your name is Jabatus.
Yeah. From the street, all them people so I call me Grabier.
Grabiel.
Grabier.
Grabier.
This name, they where they say street guy. That's where they call me.
Okay, that's the Spanish or French?
In
Oh,
English.
Grabiel.
Street guy.
Oh, okay, street guy. He's called a street guy. And he just said something profound. He said he learned a lot from the streets about people. That the people with good heart don't get rich and don't have money, and that's me. I don't have money. And the people that
One day you go get home. One day you have to be on.
He said one day I'm gonna have money.
That's why I don't worry about nothing. The life I pass, why
Yeah.
I just respect what I'm doing. I keep it going. I know one day,
Yeah.
of course,
You-
see I do something.
Yeah,
You have to help me out.
he got the right spirit, and I can tell
For sure.
because he don't do anything wrong. And I like his spirit when I first met him. He says one day God is. He told me in the other video that I erased. He said God got my back. What you say? God have my back?
Anyway, 24
Yeah.
hours.
He said God have my back 24 hours.
24 hours.
And listen to this, guys.
He be told me for you doing 2 job chicken, he go pay 1 for me.
Right.
And he put it-
Oh, he gonna. Okay. Somebody
he gonna give me
gonna
some, you know, I zero, I
come
just
in.
don't
But
buy
go
hate.
ahead, my brother. Go.
Respect, thank you for anything.
Go ahead, man. I'm gonna help you out wherever I can. Okay.
I'm no bother.
All right. Take care. Don't leave. Go. Come back later. So, guys, this is what I want to say to you. Okay. That little brother right there is all of our brothers, whether you're black, white, green, or pink. All right. And some of us, as long as we can eat, we don't care about nothing else. We buy fancy cars. We live in big homes, and all we care about is ourselves and our family. But people of the world is our family too. Like I was telling, you know, he said something that even surprised me. I didn't even know he felt that way about me. You know. So he just went out to get a customer that he said he was gonna try to bring a customer over here so he can get something to eat. But I'm gonna give him something to eat. He's coming back. I'm gonna give him something to eat because I may have some stuff in the kitchen that I will help him out. And so let me ask you now. Let's say you want to. What would you like to sell in? What would you like to do if you do a business? Something very easy.
There's something I need to do because you understand what I'm saying? I don't go into this school.
No, okay.
Where I can tell them I go something bad.
Right. To sell, like something to do a business.
Like they got a little bit motorbike to the Haiti.
Yeah.
They make a lot of bread on there because just for the gasoline, the gasoline is not expensive. They don't have no gasoline in Haiti.
Okay.
Yeah. If I have one bike like that, I
What
never
you mean,
come
like a
in this
motorbike,
country.
like a motorbike,
Yes.
a gas bike,
They
or
got a tweed. What I mean,
It's like a-
Tregoma.
oh, the 3-wheel.
Yeah, they got a 3-wheel, the motorbike.
And you have a carrier in the back. You can carry people.
Yeah, you can carry like in 10 people.
Okay. How much they sell that for in Haiti?
In Haiti, like in Lava, like in 2000.
$2,000.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's a lot.
So, but I mean, I don't. What I'm thinking is something simple where maybe you can get maybe $100 and you can go buy some clothes.
That's what I want.
But you know, you
Only
can.
these I have today.
No. What I'm saying is to do a business in Haiti. Like you can buy and sell. Like you get $100, you go to Santo Domingo, you buy some socks, some shirts, and you go back to Haiti and you sell it. And then when you sell it, you save the money and you buy your little thing. What you think?
I know it. I want to say what you told me. They know the thing. You have to have the paper, but you can move in Haiti, but you can go and come.
Yeah, but what I'm
It's my
yeah.
my thing. The money I can make the paper.
Yeah.
It's better I do my business with it.
Yeah.
This is not a country where I can come, where I can have him paper for it.
You'll never have paper.
The Haitian people we give him food for 25 years. 25 years. Help them.
You give the Dominican food
Yes,
25 years.
25 years. They
Yeah,
work with
we
us
know that.
anything.
Yeah.
In this time, they trying to ask us for paper, anything. That's what the Haitian don't like. They say crazy like that. They tell them,
But you know
"Don't
what
make
fascinates me? This guy walks 3 days to get over here. But anyway, guys, though, I just wanted to share his story because he come by to speak to me and say hello. And he said something also that fascinates me. He wants me to be the president of his country. That's amazing. I mean, that's crazy. I would love to be the president, but I think they would kill me. They kill me.
Yeah, they don't.
Somebody
they,
like
they
me.
don't kill the good president.
Right.
They kill the fake one.
Right. They don't kill the fake one. They kill the good ones. The good people, they would kill them. You see?
That's what's up.
Yeah. So the guys.
You know, I got it long. I don't know. And lie about their life.
I know, but you're gonna be okay.
One
God
day
is.
I will be Gucci.
You know, I'm gonna say this in Father, in the name of the Most High, in Your name. You know, only you know this plight of this young man. I pray in front of the whole audience of people that watching this, that you help him, that you put your hand on him, and send somebody to help him out of his situation. And many more like him who don't have a way out. A lot of us can eat that you provide for us, but his story is to touch the heart of somebody who have a heart. So God bless you, my brother, and I pray.
God bless you too. Anyone go see me, God bless them.
Yeah, and I pray.
They can have more people for
He said, anybody who sees this video, God bless you too. So blessed love to all of you, and let's pray for this little brother right here, my bro. One love, yeah.
I thank you. Believe in you too.
I talk to you soon, but you're gonna be.